So let's display the pagination links. So here down. So we need to move to our home page, and after, so let's see the closing tag. So here we have the card, and let's do that after the closing tag of the card. So let's add a div and give it margin top and bottom of 3, and let's add a card, or let's give it a card footer class, and we need the bg whites and also the flex, and justify content to center, and here let's add a div with a margin top and the bottom of 3, and let's use the posts and call the links method to display the pagination links. So let's save and refresh the page, and as you can see we have something wrong. Just I have a typo here, so it's links, not links. So it's a mistake. Sorry for this error. So let's take a look here, and as you can see we have the pagination links, but we need to tell Laravel to use Bootstrap 5, so we can have the Bootstrap 5 pagination links. And to do that we need to move to the app service provider, and here inside the boot method let's call the paginator, and you can import it from use eliminate pagination paginator. And once we have the paginator we need to tell him to use Bootstrap 5. So let's save, refresh the page, and as you can see we have here the links, the pagination links. If I click on the next page I am redirected to the next page. If I click on the first page I am in the first page. So now we have done with the pagination links. We need to move to the categories, so we need to display the categories here. And to do that we will use also the app service provider, so we will share the categories throughout all our application. So if we need to display the categories in any template or view, so we can do that. So let's use the view, and the view we can import it from the eliminate support facade. So here facades view, and once we have the view we need, as I say, to share. So we call share method, and we give it the categories, which is the k, and the value, so we will use the category model, and we will display only the categories that has posts. And we need to call the get, method. So let's just bring this one, so I don't have arrow inside my keyboard. So let's use the get method, and we will do the same thing for the tags. So we will use the same thing for the tags. So let's change this one to tags, and here we will use tag model, and don't forget to import the tag model and category model, and we will display only the tags that has posts. So now let's display the categories, and to display the categories we will add another file. This file will be inside layout, and this file will be called sidebar, and inside sidebar we will display the categories and tags. So let's move to the layouts here and add another file. Let's call it sidebar dot blade dot php. So here we are in sidebar, so let's add a div with call md4 and another div with card and another div with card header and bg white. And inside the card header, let's add categories. And here we need card body. And inside card body, let's add a list. Let's give it a list group class, and we need to loop through each categories or each category and display the details. So here we need category, and inside let's add another li and give it list group item and deflex and justify content between and also line items to center. So let's hit enter, and inside we need to add a link, and this link will have the class beta-n link and text decoration known and text dark. And inside this link, so once we click inside the link, so we will get the categories posts or the posts of selected category. So for now you will display only the name of the category, and later we will add the routes. So here let's display the name in English, and later we will add the check for the language or switching language. So let's add another span here, and this span will take the class page and bg primary and rounded peel, and inside let's add, so here let's add category and let's bring the posts. We have already the relationship, and we need to display here the post counts. So how many posts has each category. So now that we have the categories, so let's go back to the home page and let's check the closing tag here for the div with call md8, and here we need to call or to import the sidebar from layouts.sidebar. So let's save and refresh the page. And as you can see, we have here the categories, and each category has the number of posts. So here we have 1, here we have 3, here we have 2. And as you can see, let's change the title here. So where is it? So here inside sidebar, where is the title? So this is the title. Let's change it to each 3 and paste. So let's take a look and see what we have here. So I think we can add here text center to center the categories. So I think we need also margin here. So let's give it margin top of 2. Save, refresh, and I think now it's better. So we need also to add the routes. We have already defined our routes, and here inside the web.php, so here we can get the category or the posts by category, and the route's name is the category.post. So let's use it here. Let's use the routes, and the route is category dot posts, and let's give it the category that we want to fetch its posts. So here let's send the category. So we have, as I said, name is category dot posts, and we send the category. So let's refresh and see what we will have here. So if I click on this one has only 3 posts. So as you can see, we have 3 posts. If I click on this one that has only 2, so I have 2. If I click on this one that has only 1, I have 1. And if I move back to the home page, so we will add later the link here to the home page. So we will fetch all the posts. So as you can see, now we have done with pagination and categories. So let's move to the tags. So we need to display tags, and we will do the same thing as we have done here with categories. So we will do the same thing with the tags. So let's do that now.